Hi, SG Potter here, or as my friends like to call me, Sam. And I'm the author of the book, The 28-Day AI Author. And I've got a question for you. Have you ever dreamed about writing your own fiction book, but just weren't quite sure how to start? Maybe you feel like you don't have enough time, or you're overwhelmed by the book writing process. That's exactly why I've created this live training course to guide you step by step through writing and publishing your book using the same system I teach in my book, but with my personalized support live directly to you. Over 4 live sessions, I'm going to show you how to develop your book's concept and outline in record time. Use AI tools like Co-author GPT to generate chapters with your voice and your vision. And we're going to get your book ready to publish on Amazon KDP or Ingram Spark fast. This isn't just another webinar. This is an interactive, hands-on experience designed to get your book out of your head and out to the world with accountability, personalized help, and a community of new authors just like you. So if you've been waiting for the right moment, that moment is now. So join me live and let's get you from an inspiring author to a published author in just 28 days. I'll see you in class.